Good morning! It's Sunday morning guys and we're going to church. Magsimba muna tayo. Para kahit naman paano mabawasan yung salamat sa mga blessings, gano'n. Medyo nahihingal tayo kasi yung lift masyadong mataas. Wala po mataas. Ayun na yung trend. Lord, walang katao-tao. Let's go! Bye guys! See you!
靠近车門，請不要靠近車門。Please stand back from the train doors.
Nakatao-tao guys. Hi. Take it from me.